Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can embed a YouTube video on Canva. So you have your project over here, and in order to add a YouTube video and embed it in your project, you can go to apps over here on the left side and then scroll down a little bit until you find YouTube. It will be on the discover content from section. So click on YouTube, and now you can search for your video, and then I'm gonna choose this video, and if I click on it, then it will be added on my project. And of course you can even resize it if needed, you can reposition it. And over here you have the link, you can edit the link if needed, you can change the display mode. So if you don't want embed, then you can click on link in order to just show the link, but since we want embed, then of course we can keep it like so. And if you click over here, we also have a bunch of different options. We can also rotate our video if needed by using this circle over here at the bottom. And we can even apply some animations if needed, like so. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.